Among the shadows, one of nature's most efficient hunters moves in silence. A bobcat survives on just 1 or 2 successful hunts a week. Those tiny ear tufts work like natural radar, catching even the softest movement in the wild. With night vision nearly 8 times stronger than ours, the darkness belongs to this cat. A steady tail means patience, but one twitch and the strike is moments away. When it launches, a single jump can carry it over 10 feet straight toward its target. No noise, no hesitation, just one clean, perfect hit. Built for stealth, refined by survival, this is the bobcat.